So one of the big themes about our work here at the ASU Center for Evolution Medicine is that learning about evolutionary biology as a basic science, the same way you learn genetics and other things, is probably going to help health professionals and researchers do a better job. You think that's right?
Oh, absolutely. I think one of the biggest problems we have right now are things like antimicrobial resistance, which is entirely, that's an evolutionary phenomenon.
Do doctors actually need to know about how evolution works to figure that out, though?
I would hope so. I mean, I really think that is true because, otherwise, how do you interpret charts for every doctor has a little chart that talks about, what antimicrobial things like antibiotics can affect. What the resistance
right.
Okay, let me start over. Resistance profile.
How big the resistance is, right?
Yeah, exactly. So resistance profile.
Which drugs are going to work, right?
Yeah, exactly.
So doctors often tell their patients, you've got to take every pill in the bottle, because if you don't, it might cause antibiotic resistance to emerge.
Yeah.
Does that sound right, or is that not clear thinking necessarily?
Well, I guess it depends if they made the right prescription or not. Right. If you make it, but it's not about necessarily the target organism. It's about every organism that's on you. So, provided you're not having an allergic reaction, you should probably finish the bottle.
So one big area you think doctors should know evolutionary to help about is antibiotic resistance.
Yeah.
Are there other reasons it would be good for doctors to understand evolution the same way they understand genetics and other fields?
Yeah, so I think it's important for doctors to understand, for example, how the range of normal human gait, for example, in the case of orthopedics, it's important for doctors.
There's not just one normal one.
There's not just one normal one. That there are some differences between sexes, and that there's legit evolutionary reasons for that. That there's also there's this range of variation, but that it has this is something that's bred into our whole bodies. We're built as a bipedal organism, so how you treat somebody, say, by giving them a cast for 6 weeks is going to have, potentially a negative effect on other areas that have adapted to being, a particular size or particular shape.
Then there are all the medical problems that come from standing upright and walking on 2 feet.
Oh, absolutely.
From ankle programs to hemorrhoids to bowel problems.
Or sitting at a desk all day.
Sitting in a desk, or even, especially in chairs like this. It's been really fun talking to you, Jessica. Thanks so much for joining us.
Oh, not at all. Thank you.